Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video I will teach you how to stop auto download in WhatsApp when using mobile data. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to your WhatsApp application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in WhatsApp application, all you have to do is click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and click settings. Okay guys, here in settings, click data and storage usage. So okay guys, here in data and storage usage, go to media auto download. So okay guys, here in media auto download, you can see the when using mobile data. So click this and the pop-up will show, and okay guys, you can see the photo, audio, video and document are checked. So okay guys, to turn off the auto download on your WhatsApp application, you'll have to do is uncheck the photo, audio, video and document, and after that guys, click OK. So okay guys, your media auto download when using mobile data in your WhatsApp application are off. So okay guys, that's it, and if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.